Alright, I'm giving you this two type of sharpener that since we were kids, I believe you get to have one. The normal ones. And they always give us this kind of result. Broken pencil tips. So there, that no matter we try to carefully use it with different strokes, being gentle, we always ended up having this kind of result. Broken pencil tips. Yes. So, as an artist, it always frustrates me. It's like in the middle of my work, I have to sharpen my pencil and it gets broken and I have to do it again and it happens again. But today, I'm introducing to you this one-of-a-kind mechanical sharpener which I found online, and I'm excited to share to you guys the quality of the result of how it sharpened my pencils. So just stay tuned and watch out, and I'll be right back after this short introduction. Hello YouTube artists, welcome back to my channel, and this is Tito Don. And today, as I've mentioned earlier, after that quite dramatic or exhausting kind of introduction, I get to buy this mechanical sharpener. It came from China and it took like less than 2 weeks before it reached me. It was well packed, bubble wrapped, and it's contained here in this hard plastic container, which is good. And the name of this brand is actually, if I'm not mistaken, it's Hangli mechanical sharpener. So the texts here are written in Chinese, and also there you go, as you can see as I open it, it's quite secured. And this one I have is the black one. It comes with 3 different colors: black, blue, and a golden brown. And as you can see there, it's glossy, that it may appear metallic, but it's actually made of plastic. Alright, it's very light and handy, which good for kids. They can use it with their bare hands and like a normal sharpener. And as you can see there, the tray, transparent tray, wherein you can easily see once it's full with pencil shavings. So there you go. And you just have to twist this, the crank at the back, and you'll get to see the only metal part of this sharpener. And if ever, I'm not saying that it will, if ever that your pencil will get broken and the lead will be stuck in there, you can pull it out. And even the internal part of this is plastic. Alright, very beautiful. For a very small amount, I didn't expect that it will really, it will give me this kind of quality. Now let's head on to the pencils. Alright, so these are a few of the old colored pencils that I have. And this one is all actually blunt, that's why I need to sharpen them. And look at the tip of that. Very beautiful. This one is totally broken. So there, with few strokes and rotations, I get to have a good sharp tip. This is also broken. This is also broken in there. So you can see, good tip, clean. And now we're heading on to one of my premium type of colored pencils. It's the Prismacolor Premier. For some artists, I know that you are aware how sensitive and fragile the wax of this kind of colored pencils. So if you're using a not so good kind of sharpener, you will always end up having a broken pencil tip. So there, surprisingly, you can see that right now that it looks really good and very sharp. For realism, like myself, I'm a realism artist using colored pencils. I really need to have my pencils really sharp to be able to color those tooth of the paper. So there, I'm also trying it with this other pencil, which was just blunt, and look at the result with just 3 strokes, and I get to have that very clean and nice sharp tip of my colored pencils. Alright guys, that's actually pretty it. If ever you get to own one of these, you can comment below and share us about your experience with this Hangli mechanical sharpener. And I'm also posting in the description below where I got it, in which specific store at Shopee, so that you will no longer have a hard time to find it. Okay, thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching this, and hope see you guys again in my next videos. Please don't forget to check out the links that I'll be posting here, which you can also watch my previous videos. I would really appreciate that. It will really help me a lot. And so thank you so much again for your time, and see you again on my next video. Please don't forget that you just have to subscribe and hit the bell button, and for you to be notified on my next videos. Goodbye, have a good week. Thank you.